Naghanap ka ba ng property na may modern na design, mabilis ang turnover, at may affordable na monthly dahil for as low as 10,700 ay kayang-kaya mo na magkabahay? Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Located nga lang ito sa Barangay Osorio, 13 Martires, Cavite. At halos boundary nga lang ito ng General Trias at 13 Martires. Accessible to Manila dahil one bus ride lang ito going to PITX. Few minutes drive going to school, worship area, market, hospital, government and commercial establishments. May floor area ito na 53.20 square meters kaya naman may enough space tayo para sa ating living, dining, kitchen area at pwede mong gamitin ang ating service area para sa extension ng inyong kitchen. Ang maganda nga sa property natin na to ay semi-complete turnover. Meaning, kasama mo na po ang ating tiles, primary paint, ceiling, at complete fixtures na rin ang ating toilet and bath. May lot area ito na 48 square meters, kaya naman may provision tayo for one carport at included na din upon turnover ang ating fence. And pwede mo ito palagyan ng gate upon turnover. May provision ito for 2 bedroom and yes, wala pa po itong room partition dahil gusto ng ating developer na ma-customize ninyo ang layout at sukat ng inyong rooms. And included na din ang ating sliding door connected sa ating balcony. Total contract price is 2 million. Monthly down payment for 18 months is 15,222. Estimated monthly amortization sa pag-ibig ay 10,783. At hindi mo na rin po problemahin dahil included na ang ating water and electricity installation. Kaya naman kung interesado ka sa property na to, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!